Pedro, what's happening?
Leandro, we cannot work with this anymore because we need parts. So let's work with the brakes. What do you think? So I'm gonna get the parts. Meanwhile, you take the wheel off and the caliper off, so we can measure and everything. See the difference between the two discs and the caliper that we're gonna be using. Okay?
All right. Pedro, why are you taking so long?
What do you mean? I'm here. I was looking all over the place for this. I couldn't find it.
Where do you...
What the hell?
What happened to your hair?
What do you mean? Holy shit.
It look good, bro. I like it.
Holy shit, this time you look.
I can take this
I
out.
was there for how long?
Like 1 hour maybe.
1 hour. I thought it was like a year.
Hold me up, man.
Holy
I can
shit.
take the caliper out.
Yes, we found this.
Holy shit.
This is the disc we're gonna be using there. You wanna compare it to see what is the difference between one and another? Have you? You haven't taken the caliper yet.
No,
Let me help you with this. Hold on. Let's see if I can. I don't want to break it. No. We can take it over here. Let me give me the caliper so I'm gonna compare it.
I like your hair.
Thanks, man. I need a haircut now. What happened? This is for Halloween.
What?
Halloween did this to me. Oh, wow, the difference is really good. Look at this. There is a big difference between one another. This one is bigger. This one has only one piston here. You can see it, only one piston. And this one has 2 pistons. And it's supposed to be like this. So I think let's compare the disc because it is supposed to be a little bit bigger. Hold on. I don't mind the line because we're gonna put new lines. Look at this, man. Look at the difference from one another. Holy shit.
It's a big difference.
Yep.
I like it.
These discs are from 2008 Hyundai Tiburon SE 6-speed. So those Tiburon bring.
You only count.
Yeah, that's,
Not that you.
yeah, the 2008. Remember the yours? Yeah, that when we ordered the discs, we thought they were the same, but it wasn't. This is a little really big difference between one disc and another. Compare with this. I don't want to take anything apart to that because we are waiting for the lines. These rubber lines, we're gonna change it for stainless steel braided lines. We're gonna change the caliper. We have to refurbish these ones and paint everything, make it look good. And I think we have to modify something here in the back so we can install this disc with this caliper.
What are you doing, Peter?
I'm gonna take a little bit of this rust off before we
Paint them?
paint them. Yep. Okay, we are test fitting this. Yeah, it worked.
Let's
Where
put
the-
let's put the brake pads.
Oh, hold on. This is the bracket for the bigger calipers. I thought that I was gonna have to do some modification to the knuckle, but I don't think so. Yep, it works nice. It worked nice. Yes. It fit incredibly good. It's amazing that we don't have to do any modification to the knuckle or anything. So these discs are there like a glove. They fit there like a glove, and you have bigger brakes
I'll
now.
put this one in.
I can because the caliper is on. Look at the difference. It's like 1 inch of difference between one another. So you're gonna be having more stopping power. Now we have to wait for the lines, the stop tech lines that comes, and we have to order the hot brake pads and put the same pads in the back.
This is for now, guys. I want to put some
Brembo's.
Brembo brakes.
Yeah, but I think this is gonna be enough for the brake system. So now the only thing you need to decide is what color do you want it.
Blue.
Blue? Look at this. There is a big difference. The disc and the caliper, so the car is gonna have more stopping power. It's like a inch of difference between one another. Good. Using all your resources.
We're gonna cramp. Fuck.
What? A cramp? You get a cramp? Alejandro. Alejandro. You kidding?
Just kidding, I'm good.
I'm hearing a noise
What are you
in
listening?
the backyard.
What?
I think I'm gonna take a look.
Go for it.
I'm hearing something strange.
Go for it. Wait. Let me put this first. Can you hold it?
Hold on. You hear it?
Yeah.
I heard it again.
What is that?
I don't know. I'm gonna take a look.
No, hold it steady. No, I'm thinking. Let's see. What is that, man?
I don't know. I keep hearing that. But while you put the wheel, I'm gonna check in the backyard to see what is going on. Keep hearing some
Maybe
place.
the neighbors doing something.
I don't think so.
It doesn't stop. Just
No.
keep going.
What?
Just keep going, the noise.
Yeah.
Give me the 21. 21?
I'm gonna give you this, but I'm gonna take a look.
Okay. What? 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 What's happening? Pedro! What's happening? What's happening? Where you are?
Well, guys, we were teasing you. We were doing like a little bit of having a little bit of fun there, but this is the finished product. Those are the big brakes with the calipers. Those are 2-piston caliper from an XG, right? XG350.
Something like that.
It's a Hyundai big car sedan. Guys, this is the finished product. You can see there. It looks amazing. We went with the blue team. Alejandro is planning to put some energy seats there with the same color. So, like I told you, those calipers are from a XG350. Is a Hyundai sedan. Those are two piston calipers, and I wanna give a big shout out to Peter Rodway. He's the one. I saw that one in his video, and we were texting a little bit, and I took a few pointers from his car. He also has a Tiburon turbo there. If you want, go ahead and go to his channel to see his videos. So that's gonna be for today. So see you in the next one, and a happy Halloween, guys.